Hello friends, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are diving into the vast world of YouTube marketing. In this comprehensive guide, you will learn everything you need to know to master YouTube marketing. So stay with me till the end and let's explore.
1. Understanding YouTube marketing, an introduction. First and foremost, what is YouTube marketing? It's the utilization of YouTube to promote your products or services, engage with your audience, and grow your brand's online presence. It's a vital part of today's digital landscape. Understanding YouTube marketing is the first step in leveraging this dynamic platform. From building brand awareness to driving sales and fostering community engagement, YouTube offers unparalleled opportunities. As video content continues to reign supreme in the digital space, mastering YouTube marketing becomes not just an option but a necessity for modern businesses. 2. Creating a YouTube marketing strategy, step-by-step guide. Planning is crucial. Building a YouTube marketing strategy involves setting clear goals, identifying your target audience, and choosing the type of content that resonates with them. A well-structured strategy is the foundation of success. YouTube marketing efforts ensure that your videos reach the right audience with the right message at the right time. The synergy of well-defined goals, targeted content, continuous engagement, and ongoing analysis will pave the way for success in your YouTube marketing endeavors. 3. Optimizing video content for YouTube marketing. Next is optimization. Your videos need to be attractive and search-friendly, SEO-friendly. From creating engaging thumbnails to writing compelling descriptions and using SEO-friendly keywords, every detail counts. By applying these optimization techniques, you align your content with both the platform's algorithm and the viewer interests, paving the way for success in your YouTube marketing efforts. 4. YouTube marketing tools and analytics. Data is your friend. Understanding the tools and analytics. YouTube offers help in tracking performance, knowing your audience better, and making informed decisions that contribute to your growth. From understanding key performance indicators to improving content and engaging with audiences, these tools cover a wide spectrum of needs. 5. Building an engaged YouTube community. Community matters. Encouraging likes, shares, and comments, and actively engaging with your viewer can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving community. 6. YouTube advertising and monetization strategies. Monetization and advertising are key. YouTube offers various ways to monetize your content through sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and Google Ads. Understanding these can turn your channel into a revenue stream. 7. Leveraging YouTube influencers in marketing campaigns. Influencers can be game changers. Collaborating with the right YouTube influencers can amplify your message and reach new audiences. 8. Integrating YouTube marketing with other social media platforms. Integration is vital. Connecting your YouTube channel with other social media platforms creates a cohesive online presence and amplifies your reach. 9. Avoiding common YouTube marketing mistakes. Learning from mistakes is essential. Common pitfalls can hinder your success, but recognizing and avoiding them keeps you on the growth path. 10. Future trends in YouTube marketing, what to expect. The future is exciting. YouTube marketing is ever-changing. Staying ahead of emerging trends like AI optimization and AR/VR integration, and focusing on sustainability ensures that you're always ahead of the curve. The world of YouTube marketing is expansive, dynamic, and filled with possibilities. Through a deep understanding of strategy, optimization, community building, advertising, influencer collaboration, platform integration, common mistakes, and emerging trends, brands can unlock unprecedented growth and engagement. Mastering YouTube marketing is a journey, filled with opportunities and challenges. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you are all set to thrive. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insights and expert tips on business growth. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.